Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the GT line specification. This car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's full LED headlights, 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors, you'll skip front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine, it gives you 130 horsepower, there's a 6-speed manual gearbox, the car's done under 5,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.